Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Product. Today, we are looking at a tiny gadget that is going to completely change how you handle your hygiene while you are away from home. If you have been searching for the best mini water flosser for travel to keep your smile bright on the road, you are in the right place. We have some great details to share from Tech Product. Let's get started. Maintaining your dental health can be a real challenge when you are living out of a suitcase. That is exactly why the costless T40 Mini Water Flosser for travel was created. This clever device is an ultra-portable solution designed for people who want the power of a full-sized water flosser without the bulk. The costless brand has managed to pack a professional cleaning experience into a frame that is no bigger than a smartphone. Whether you are on a long flight or a weekend camping trip, this little tool ensures you can keep your teeth and gums healthy anywhere in the world. There are some really impressive features packed into the costless T40 Mini Water Flosser for travel that make it stand out. First, it comes with 4 adjustable intensity levels. This is a huge benefit because it allows you to personalize the cleaning power to fit your needs, whether you have sensitive gums or need a deeper clean. To make things even more versatile, it includes 4 different nozzles. You get 2 standard tips, a special orthodontic tip for braces, and even a tongue cleaner. This variety ensures that everyone in the family can get exactly the type of care they need. One of the smartest parts of the design is the detachable wide-mouth water tank. It is twice as wide as most other tanks, which makes refilling a breeze and prevents any gross scale buildup inside. To keep things powerful, it uses a precise 0.6 millimeter water flow with a 1400 water pressure setting. This is fantastic because it reaches those tight spots between your teeth that a normal toothbrush just can't touch. You also get a built-in storage compartment for your nozzles, so you never have to worry about losing them in your luggage. Durability is also a big focus here. The costless T40 features IPX7 waterproofing, which means it is completely safe to use in the shower or around a sink without any worries. The battery life is also incredible for such a small device. A single 3-hour charge using a standard Type-C cable will last you for up to 30 days. This is perfect for long vacations because you don't even need to pack the charging cord. When it comes to the build quality and design, the costless T40 Mini Water Flosser for travel feels very solid and premium. It is roughly the size of a mobile phone and fits comfortably in the palm of your hand. The materials are sleek and easy to grip, and the separate button design protects the internal parts from moisture, meaning the device is built to last for years of frequent travel. In real life, this flosser is a lifesaver for business trips or quick lunch breaks at the office. You can easily slip it into a small toiletry bag or even your pocket. It is best for frequent flyers, students, and anyone with braces who needs to clean their teeth after every meal. It is a simple, effective way to keep your mouth feeling fresh and clean no matter where you go. Taking care of your teeth doesn't have to be a hassle when you're on the move. Check the price link in the description to see the latest deals on this portable essential. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to Tech Product for more innovative gear updates. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.